Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Once the eggs have completely dried, about 45 minutes, pour a few drops of cooking oil onto a paper towel. Rub the oil all over the egg to give it a shiny finish. If the oil rubs off the eggs onto your fingers, use a clean paper towel to rub off the excess oil. 27 February 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Step 1 for dyeing Easter eggs. Hard boil your eggs. Cover with cold water until the water is about 1 inch above the eggs. Add a dash of vinegar to the water to keep the insides of your eggs nice and white. 15 March 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.